HostColor launched web portal with new cloud and dedicated servers. HostColor.com, HC, announced a new IT service portal and major additions to its public cloud server and dedicated hosting service portfolio. They are created to help SMBs to take control over their IT infrastructure in the rapidly changing cloud service market. HC has defined two cloud infrastructure service priorities: localization of the cloud services and increased bandwidth rate at fixed monthly cost. Cloud service localization. HostColor is coming closer to millions of SMBs who do business on 3 continents, North America, Europe, and Asia, by opening cloud IaaS delivery centers in many local markets. The company delivers US dedicated server hosting and cloud services from Ashburn, Atlanta, Bend, Oregon, Charlotte, Chicago, Dallas, Denver, Detroit, Kansas City, Los Angeles, Miami, New York, Phoenix, Santa Clara, South Bend, Indiana, and Seattle. In Europe, the HC's branch, HostColorEurope.com, delivers IT services from 22 data centers including in London, UK, Amsterdam and Hague, the Netherlands, Copenhagen, Denmark, Stockholm, Sweden, Helsinki, Finland, Paris, France, Luxembourg, Berlin, Frankfurt, Munich, Germany, Vienna, Austria, Barcelona, Madrid, Saragossa, Spain, Milan, Italy, Prague, Czech Republic, Bratislava, Slovakia, Bucharest, Romania, Sofia, Bulgaria, Athens, Greece. The HC's Asian cloud service locations feature Bangkok, Thailand, Hong Kong, Jakarta, Indonesia, New Delhi, Mumbai, India, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Shanghai, China, Singapore, Seoul, Korea, Tokyo, Japan. More bandwidth, fixed cost. HostColor.com has launched bare metal servers and dedicated clouds with network bandwidth quotas of 250 megabits per second, 500 megabits per second, 1 gigabit per second, 2 gigabits per second, 5 gigabits per second, and 10 gigabits per second dedicated servers. According to HC, this makes it possible for SMBs to use public, and hybrid dedicated clouds under a transparent data transfer model, and to avoid the obscure measurement and billing of the internet traffic. Our main focus is to help SMBs to address the growing dependence on the so-called major clouds. Many of the businesses who move their IT infrastructure to any of the hyperscalers, lured by an increased quality and high availability of technology services, experience a number of issues: skyrocketing monthly bills for internet access to their public cloud and private apps, higher costs for technical support, increased IT infrastructure management effort, de facto lock-in of their infrastructure due to the high costs of data transfer, and growing data privacy concerns, says HostColor.com CEO Dimitar Avramov. He adds that when it comes to the structure of the services and billing, the business models of the major technology clouds feature a complete lack of transparency. All these result in significant loss of money for SMBs that vary from a couple of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars on annual basis, depending on the services they use. About HostColor. HostColor.com is a global IT infrastructure and web hosting service provider since 2000. The company has its own virtual data centers, a capacity for provisioning dedicated servers and colocation services in 50 data centers worldwide. Its subsidiary HostColorEurope.com operates cloud infrastructure and delivers dedicated hosting services in 19 European countries. Media contact: HostColor LLC, 5,743,672,393.